Hey guys, I thought I'd do an unboxing of the HVLP spray gun from Harbor Freight that everybody likes. This costs like maybe $10 or $20. Looks like it comes with the gravity feed container. Gun itself feels okay. Little strainer. And it looks like it comes with a little nylon brush cleaner. Looks like this is all covered in oil, so you'll need to clean this off before you first use it. Also, it doesn't look like it comes with a tool to remove this, so that could be an issue, but this looks okay. It doesn't look like this will remove too easily from the threaded collar, but it should be fine. If you get it too dirty, you could just replace it for another 10 bucks. And that's the unboxing of the HVLP gun from Harbor Freight. See my other videos. I'm going to try to paint some latex paint on my old hollow core doors to dress them up. I might put trim on them as well. And I'm also going to use this to spray primer on my car. So we'll see how it goes.